Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Eric Prince, the naturopath, and I just want to say that I'm very excited now because we're starting to create a whole new avenue of health and wellness called holistic healthcare. This is an avenue that allows us to treat our ailments and issues at the level of the root cause. What this does is this eradicates your condition, restores balance, and allows you to live a life that you were meant to live as you did when you were in your youth. This is about returning back to our youth. Youth is not predicated on the time you've been on the planet. It's predicated on the condition of your body. And now we have the ability with this process and this program to reverse our biological age and live young for as long as we desire, because now your health is back in your own hands. Now your life is back in your own hands. The decisions you make now are the decisions that's going to benefit you from this point on, because now you're more aware that we now have a way of getting back because of all of the testimonies.
My results were 13 pounds over the period of 7 days. Yes, 13 pounds over the period of 7 days. I first saw it in my skin. My skin was like super clear, glowing. People were like, you look different. You sound different.
I was able to lose 14 pounds, 6 inches. And I love the way I look. I'm not gonna lie, I am loving this. But let me tell you what I love even more. I dropped my cholesterol 50 points. Blood pressure stabilized. And my doctor and I had been fighting for the last 5 years because she wanted to put me on a statin, and I absolutely refused. And she told me I would never change my cholesterol, lower it by diet alone. Well, you can know how excited I felt when I had dropped it 50 points. I want to be optimally healthy until the day I just close my eyes and I'm not here anymore. I hope you join us.
It was me and my wife. We did the 21 days. Dramatic changes in the way my clothes fit, the weight that dropped off. Well, most importantly, the mindset shift. It's really, for me, an experience that has not only impacted my personal health, but also the trajectory of my family.
After taking the 21-day cleanse, I am down 26 pounds. My energy is high. My mobility is high. My quality of life is high.
It just cleared my mind, my body, and my soul. I got rid of 12.8 pounds of waist. My stomach is flat, and it helped with my blood pressure.
Let me tell you guys something. Not only did the dermatitis and these weird chest pains that I was experiencing disappear, I went from 178 down to 163. I am living my life in the sunshine like a golden child, and life is, ooh, so good.
I was told, being an A blood type by my mom a long time ago, that I was literally a vegetarian. And now knowing what having an A blood type means, now understanding how to juice, now understanding that I need raw foods, it's a game changer.